Hola!
Hola!
And welcome to our monthly Pingcast.
If you've not seen our Pingcast before, thanks for joining us. And we hope they're informative and give you, our subscribers and viewers, some useful or interesting news about the area in Spain where we spend half our year, in Torrevieja and the surrounding areas.
Yeah, and they're designed with you in mind and are released on the last Thursday of each month.
We aim to give you some interesting news and information about Torrevieja and to keep you updated on the unusual weather we seem to be getting these days.
And we'll feature some of your comments or messages and also show some of your pictures that you've sent in to us.
So if there's anything you'd like us to feature, just let us know and we'll see what we can do, because it's all about you.
So please feel free to leave us any comments or suggestions after this video.
And guess what?
What?
If you're watching this now as a premiere, today, Thursday, at 7 p.m. UK time or 8 p.m. Spanish time, we'll probably be waiting for the Torrevieja bus at Alicante Airport. Won't we?
Yeah, we will, won't we? Well, we're here at the moment, but if you're watching now on Thursday,
Premiere.
we're not here. We'll be there.
Yeah.
On his way.
Crack on.
And we're looking forward to making more videos and catching up with everyone there.
So, if you want to see what we get up to, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You know it would be amazing if just a few of you, out of the 71% of our regular viewers who are not subscribed, could hit that really free subscription button. It's for note. And it'd make a huge difference to us, wouldn't it?
It would, yeah.
So hit that button.
And if you're watching on your smart telly and you're not sure how to subscribe, we've made a video showing you how to do it. So we'll put a link to that in the description. And to make sure you don't miss anything, just click on the notification bell icon.
The temperatures in Torrevieja and other parts of Spain have been unusually hot during August, with highs of around 35 degrees, but with a feels-like temperature of well over 40 degrees.
Nighttime temperatures have been in the middle to high 20s, but hopefully now, as we're getting towards the end of August, Spain's temperatures will be more normal for the time of year.
As we all know, there was an eclipse on the 12th of August and Spain wasn't the only place it happened. We had a 91% eclipse, didn't we?
We did.
In Cleckers. And the last one we had in West Yorkshire was on the 11th of August 1999. I remember it well. And it were quite similar in coverage, about 89%. Do you remember?
And what were you doing? Can you remember?
I was in the garden at Staincliffe Close when we used to live in Dewsbury, and I just bought a new camera. And I was trying it out. I thought, what a great way to try it out on an eclipse.
Yeah.
With a nice long lens.
We went off to our local West End park where we had an elevated, clear view of the sun. We set up the cameras and waited for the first bite out of the sun, which started at exactly 6:15 p.m.
Lots of people were saying, don't look directly into the sun, use a colander. But be careful not to strain your eyes. And... oh, it started. You recording?
Yeah.
I can just see the moon. Look, come and have a look. I can just see the moon. Look, it's just started coming into the sun. Hello. We are at just outside West End Park in Cleckheaton. The best place really in Cleckheaton or in our area to see the eclipse. I know it's going to be a lot better where you are in Spain for all you Spanish people watching. Yeah. We've got 91% totality, so not as good as you down there. But Torrevieja's got probably 99%. So we're doing our best here, and we've got everything set up. Let me just show you. I've got my monitor now. Maybe you can see, maybe you can't, because I'm only a little monitor, but the moon has just started grabbing into the sun there. You can just see it on the about 4 o'clock on the sun there. I can see it on my camera as well. And I'm filming with my Sony 6700 camera with a long lens on, equivalent to about 525mm lens, with a little bit of digital zoom added, not too much. And I'm also going to do a little time lapse as well. So I'm going to start very soon with a time lapse and see what that looks like. I've got everything set up now. I've got a time lapse going on there, so we can see a general landscape picture, how the light is going to change over the next hour. So we'll see the change in the colours. Everything will go very grey. We have experienced it before, back in 1999. I do remember. Again, that wasn't a total eclipse, but it was a very effective and a very eerie thing because it does go very dark and the colours change. What happens is as the moon covers the sun, it just leaves 9% of the sun showing. It's a smaller piece of light. You only get hard shadows from small sources of light, so the smaller the source of light, the harder the shadow. And we'll notice when we get the 91% eclipse that the shadows will be very, very sharp, very, very hard shadows. They're hard in direct sunlight, but these are even harder, and that's what makes it look a little bit eerie, and that's probably why the birds start making funny noises and things start happening a bit weird. You start at 6:15, and then by 7:09, we're going to have the biggest effect, in 91% of the moon covering the sun. So that'll be the most spectacular bit. So it wasn't disappointing, was it?
No, we saw it covered quite a bit more than what we thought.
Yeah, I didn't think it'd be, but it was 91%. Certainly worth coming out and having a look. The dimmer effect, I would say, it dimmed quite a bit. Everything dimmed.
Yeah,
it's now brighter than it was when it dimmed, and the colours changed. It went a bit grey. It's now coming back. But yeah, we're well worth it. We met loads of people, and there are loads of people behind us having a nice look and taking pictures of the screen, because it did look spectacular on the screen, through the camera, nice lens, and they could see a very sharp image of the moon passing through, as you'll see on when you watch it. So yeah, we're good.
And a lot of people didn't have their special glasses, so it was good for them that they could actually see it. We didn't have them glasses neither, so it was the only way that we saw it.
But somebody lent us a pair, didn't they? We had a look through, and I thought, blimey, that looks really good.
Yeah, it did look good. We did notice it get cooler.
Yeah, it cooled down a bit.
Not cold, because it's been red hot today. It's been about 35, 36 degrees at some point today.
Yeah, it's been hot.
So it got down to a nice temperature.
Yeah.
Now, did anybody spot the bird flying through the eclipse?
I did.
Well, you edited it,
In addition to the new Consum supermarket, there's now going to be an Aldi supermarket coming to the La Hoya development in Torrevieja.
The work on this has already begun and is situated by the newest roundabout on the CV 905.
This will be the fourth Aldi in Torrevieja and will create many job vacancies.
According to a reliable source, Aldi began as a small family grocery store in Essen, Germany, and it was opened by Anna Albrecht in 1913 and taken over by her two sons, Karl and Theo, in 1946.
They transformed it into the world's first discount grocery store, officially adopting the Aldi name.
The name Aldi comes from Albrecht, so you take the AL, and discount, take the DI, to make Aldi. And in 1960, the brothers decided to split their empire after an argument about selling cigarettes.
Theo wanted to sell them to increase revenue, but Karl was very much against it, as he thought that tobacco products would attract shoplifters and slow down checkout efficiency.
Therefore, there are now two different companies. Aldi Sud, owned by Karl, now operating in the UK, Australia and the United States.
And Aldi Nord, owned by Theo, operating in Germany and across Northern and Western Europe, and he now sells fags.
Aye.
Hey. Now let's have a look at what you, our viewers and subscribers, are saying.
The first one is from Alistair Bruce. Why don't you stop using ridiculous AI thumbnails and kids' TV presentation style? You might get more views. It's frankly insulting and condescending, even if it is aimed at expats.
Well, we'd like to know if you agree with any of his comments. Do we come across as insulting and condescending? What do you think? Would you like to see us presenting our Pingcast in a different way, or is it okay the way it is? Let us know in the comments. I don't know what we'll do, because us is us, isn't it?
What you see is what you get.
What you see is what you get. Whizwag, is it?
Whizzywag. Was it?
Whizzywag.
No. Was it?
Whizzywag. No, I can't say that. Whizzywag.
What you see is what you get.
What you see.
Whizzywig.
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 Whizzywig, yeah. What you see is what you get.
Whizzywig.
Crack on with next one.
Right, this next one is from Andrew Hill. The buses are a bit crazy now with the old G bus becoming number 5 and goes through Torrevieja. It does not go to the bus station but stops 5 minutes walk away.
Now then, we've heard that the bus now stops by the Petanque in Torrevieja 3 just behind us, which we think's great. It's now nearer and easier for us to catch. I think we'll be using it a lot more, don't you?
Yeah, because you haven't got so far to walk now, have you? I think you can manage that.
Mm.
And we've got another message on the same subject from Graham Palmer.
Hey up, Graham.
Doing a bit of research, riding around on the number 5 bus.
And Julie.
Our stops have not changed, but it no longer goes up the main road. It goes through Altos del Limonar, so you could catch it if you wanted to, down by the Petanque courts. Also, as it doesn't go to the bus station, you have to get off at Hotel Fontana on Calle Ramon and get a different bus. So a few changes.
Right, well, Graham and Julie live in Jardin del Mar, and that area is really well served, and ours now is really well served by this number 5 bus. There's actually 8 bus routes in Torrevieja that have been renamed into numbers 1 to 8, which replace the old lettered routes. There used to be A, B, C and so on. G was the number 5. I don't know why, because that's number 7, but never mind, that's probably why they've simplified it. But there's also a map you can download. We'll put details of where you can get it in our description, and we'll also put a link to the Avanta website, which gives you detailed information on all 8 bus routes.
So let's have a look at us people's pics.
It seems that many people in Torrevieja didn't get a good view of the eclipse due to cloud cover. Here's how it looked from Ian Dyer's camera.
Another one looking over the Pink Lake as the cloud had lifted, and it's from Lynn McGee.
We've got 3 pics from Gary Beachy. The first 2 were taken in La Mata, and one of the new trees which were planted a couple of years ago in Altos del Limonar.
Olga Stolarska has sent us this one taken at the front in Torrevieja. One of the Church of the Immaculate Conception and one of La Mata Beach. And we had to show you this one made up by Andy from Brits Living in Spain as we were in Whitby for a few days for Mike's 70th. He went a bit crazy and turned goth.
Now then, what do you think about having a competition in a future Pingcast for the best picture? You, our viewers, would be the judges and would vote in a poll on our YouTube homepage. We'll shout for details on our Facebook page, but meanwhile, let us know what you think.
And please like and follow our Facebook page so you'll see when we post anything new.
You'll find the links for our Facebook page in the old description.
So, plenty of content to come from our favourite places, and we're looking forward to visiting all the changes and new venues like the Paseo del Mar Leisure Centre.
Our next Pingcast will be on Thursday, the 24th of September.
We really appreciate your continued support. It's thanks to you that our channel still keeps on growing.
So thanks to all our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos on YouTube, follows us on our Facebook page or any other social media.
The list you can now see is a roll call of all you lovely people who have donated in some way to our channel since we first started back in 2020.
On that note, it's time to wrap the 321 Pingcast up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoy the Pingcast, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the Pingcast. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2,
2,
1.
Bing!
Adios.